My name is Patrick Mullin. I work for Sanofi, and I am a commissioning and qualification lead in the global engineering division. And I am responsible for commissioning and qualification of large projects across our entire network. So during the selection process, where we were looking closely at all of the digital tools that were available to us for commissioning and qualification, we were looking at ease of use. We were looking at flexibility. We were looking at the ability to configure the tool. And what really stood out among all of the other traditional digital business drivers was the flexibility. We are a very large distributed organization. We have many sites, and our sites do things in different ways, especially with language differences, cultural differences, time zones, types of product. The ability to build a digital solution from a single application and be successful at any site was an absolute major driver for us in choosing Kneat as our digital solution. One of the things that really jumped out for us was the attention that the community is paying towards audit readiness. This is something that we have taken very seriously at Sanofi and have spent a lot of time learning how to do. The challenge was, well, how do we now do that in digital? With Kneat's support, and they have heard this from us and from other companies over the years, they have created a digital space within the application, which is a game changer for us. And I'm thrilled that Kneat has come up with a solution that allows us now to do this in a completely safe and controlled manner. When we deployed Kneat and we began to analyze what the benefits were, at a protocol level, we were very encouraged by the kinds of savings that we saw, and we spent a lot of time looking at how to break down savings to understand what it is that we were really gaining from Kneat. And one of the things that we did was we broke apart work hours and calendar hours in our analysis of how well we did, and some very surprising things came out of that. The expectation was we went digital, and the amount of savings that we would experience would be on the content side. And we saw significant savings on content, but we saw massive savings on the calendar time saved. And that was unexpected for us. When I am routing executed content through the approval cycle, I have to take a binder and I have to put it on somebody's desk, and they're going to look at the report, review the results in the binder, and then pass it on to the next person and pass it on to the next person. This is a very serial process. In Kneat, the digital protocol is the binder. So that goes away, and we have the ability to route, review, and approve cycles simultaneously to all users. We saw savings on the calendar in the neighborhood of 30 to 40%. And we're now able to bake these savings into our project forecasting. And we're getting better at that, and our projects are getting tighter, and we are staying on track in a way that we haven't done before, because the inconsistencies of the paper way of working is behind us.